In this video, Nikhil is getting a Sri Lankan makeover and then we will have the most delicious food that we've had in all of Sri Lanka. We're Trisha and Nikhil and we've been traveling continuously with the goal of exploring 100 countries on a strict budget. And this goal has brought us to our fourth country, Sri Lanka. In the last few days of traveling through Sri Lanka, we explored Colombo in a tuk-tuk, took an unplanned train to Kandy, took a shower with elephants at Pinnawala Elephant Orphanage, took one of the most beautiful drives to Novara Elia, and throughout this journey, we got to try a lot of amazing food, but the place we're heading to today will leave an everlasting impact on us. It is so windy and nice over here that we just couldn't think of sitting inside. We are going to walk towards some nice place right now. We're going towards the town right now. We're walking towards it. Even though our legs are a little sore from all the walking that we did yesterday, but we are doing this. We're really excited. There is no plan for today. We'll just go with the flow.
So since I've had quite issue with my long hair, we've been thinking about getting it cut, but we could not plan where to do it from. But we just found this place, Super Salon, and I guess that's where I'll be going today.
I'll show you the before.
Now I'm just waiting for my turn. There are a couple of people before me.
How excited or nervous are you?
I'm going in there with no expectations. It will be whatever it will be, will be.
But right now you have the chance. You look like really nice right now, so you can just...
It has to be done either today or sometime in I don't want to carry this in the next country. I want to get it done in Sri Lanka only. So better here. Why wait? We have nothing to do today.
Let's go.
So this is the final look. I think he did a great job actually. I really like it. I always go for really short hair, and as you can see, I like it. It was not too expensive. It was 1,500 for the haircut. So I think it was quite nice. What do you think, Tisha?
I had to wait for a very long time. Moreover, I think that his hair is a little too short. It looks really cute, but I got super tired. Meanwhile, all my energy, I was like, my energy was at different level today. But my energy just went down, like it drained. But I think I'll try to get back. And I think it looks nice. I
don't think she likes it, but I don't think she likes it. Alright, let's head to somewhere else, I guess. I don't know where we're heading, but let's see what we stumble upon next.
Hungry.
You're hungry? Alright.
Yeah.
That gives us quite a better idea. Well, another 17 minutes to the restaurant of choice.
So much walking, and it's gotten a little hot also. Very sunny.
Yeah. We finally made it to Thamparadu. We're coming in as guests. We hope to leave as friends, as they say. The final climb, Trisha. You can do it. It's right there. Hey!
Hi guys!
What's up?
From India.
That's true, actually.
That's true?
Yeah. Yeah.
Egyptians from India.
I'm Egyptian from India.
That's not true. She's just. Yeah, man.
Tree tomato. And I'm gonna have this coffee called Hang on the Tree Tomato, but I said that I don't like tomato-based cocktails, and they said that this is not what tomato is. So I'm just gonna try it. I don't know what it is.
You just had it in Italian. It's really nice, right?
It's so different.
Yeah. So you'll have one of those. Great. I'm so glad that we came here. It is such a fun place. I now understand why they said come in as guests and leave as friends. Because the people over here, the staff is so friendly, so amazing, and it's really refreshing.
Thank you. This is dolphin chicken.
Dolphin cheese chicken.
Dolphin cheese chicken.
It does not have dolphin in it.
It does have dolphin. I'm eating dolphin.
No.
You don't know?
No, it does not have dolphin in it.
The only thing dolphin about this is the name of the thing. Food was so amazing. It was just super nice. It is. I'm in a food coma sort of a situation right now. No matter how cringy this sounds, but I am. It was just so good. Like probably the best food that we've had in Sri Lanka till now. It was that good. So we're glad that we did not sit and work today. We're glad that we came out today. We're also taking something with us, gotten it packed for later on. But let's talk about how you lost. So as you can see, people have come here and they have drawn some quirky stuff on the wall. So our artist is on it as well.
We've left another mark. So we are in the tuk-tuk again because it's 3:30 already and we need to get back as soon as possible so that we have some time to ourselves to complete our work, to pack, to do what is needful, to purchase anything that is required, or the basic stuff.
If we would have come here yesterday, we would have definitely
Come here again.
yeah. I mean, this was a very good experience. It was a very wholesome experience. We had so much fun over there.
We made friends. We ended up going out of there as friends. So what's written out there is practically a prophecy.
That's very true. Actually, the people over there are really nice, and the food was super amazing. So much so that we got something packed to have for dinner. Since we cannot come back to the town again, and it gets a little difficult to get food delivered to the place that we are living at.
Yeah.
So yeah, right now we're just going home.
Patricia.
We really hope you liked this video, and if you're planning to go to Novara Elia, do not forget to visit Themparadu Cafe as the food there is amazing. Do make sure to subscribe as we will be taking you on an adventure around the world. In the next video, we are taking one of the most beautiful and Instagram worthy train rides ever. Stay tuned.